Hi boys and girls, and today I'm joined by my scientist friend, India Rose, and we're going to make a special science experiment which involves making volcanoes for
our dinosaurs.
Our two dinosaur friends.
That one's got a little egg.
It has got a little egg.
Hatch and then it'll join in.
What do you think this dinosaur is? A famous dinosaur?
I forgot.
How can you forget? There's boys and girls in my nursery class thinking, oh my goodness, how could India Rose forget? It's a
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
A Tyrannosaurus Rex. So stay tuned and we'll show you how to make volcanoes. And what you need is
a sour lemon.
A sour lemon that's got lots and lots of acid in it.
Cut off the edges
That's right.
Like yucky bits.
So you've got to get a grown-up to help you with this. You need to use a sharp knife to cut off both sides. So you can see the inside and both sides. And the next thing that you need is baking powder, which lots of people have in their houses just now because people are doing lots and lots of baking. You need a stick to mash up the inside of the lemon, and you don't really need this, but if you want it to be nice and colourful and to look like lava coming out of the volcano, we've got some food dye.
That'll make it like you'll see.
So there's some blue food dye here, and we've also got some purple where we can mix the colours.
We can use pink.
And we've got pink.
They're different kinds of food colour, but they're kind of the same.
That's right. And when you add the baking powder into your lemon and you use a stick to mash it all up, a special thing happens. The acid in the fruit and the baking powder makes a chemical reaction, and it makes it look like a volcano that's erupting. And we've also got, just for fun, another fruit here. This is a lime, and we'll be able to see what one works the best. Again, just cut off the top and the bottom. You maybe need a grown-up to help you with this.
That's tinier.
This is tinier, you're right. So let's see what's going to happen. My special scientist assistant here, Miss India Rose, is going to she's going to demonstrate the scientific experiment, aren't you?
I done this at school.
Did you?
For a topic.
For a topic. Okay, well we're going to do it with our boys and girls. Let's see what happens.
So we need a syringe that we used the last time. Like you would use some cowpaw with it, and you need like a glass bottle of food colour. There, you need like that much, and then you push it in.
Ooh.
Oh,
I think that's enough this time.
And then put it on top here. Might want to lie down or it falls. And then we mash it up. You might need to hold that.
Maybe need a grown-up's help to mash it up too.
Might be too hard. Oh.
And then why don't you try pouring in some of the special baking powder? Just a little bit at first.
Put it over here so you can see.
Can you move your tub out the way so the boys and girls can see how much you're putting in? Wow. Ooh. Okay, go for it.
Hold that, and then just put some in.
Okay.
And then what? You might want to use the other side of yours.
And give it another.
Have another one.
Give it a good mash again.
And then it's going like that.
Wow.
And
add some more of our baking powder.
Yeah. See what happens. Ooh. Goes in. Then we mash it up.
Mash it up.
Let's see. Mix. And then mash.
Mash it hard. Oh, get all the juice squeezed in.
Oh, what's it?
And then what was that trick that you showed me to have the lava coming out the top?
You would squeeze. And then you can mash some more.
Give it a
Nope.
big hard squeeze. Ooh, maybe it needs a bit more powder.
It's yeah. Oh, look at my fingers.
Ooh.
And then I'll mash.
Look at all the colours.
It's like pink and blue mixed together. Might turn purple actually. And then
Wow.
it feels weird. All the way down to the bottom. You might hear the surface that you're on.
Right,
Oh.
a big squeeze.
And then a big. Oh, did you see that? It's coming up like an oven.
Ooh, dinosaur, volcano lava.
Let's see if the dinosaurs look at it. Oh, don't put your egg in. That'd be bad. Okay.
And there you have it, boys and girls. Just a short little video this week. Something maybe a wee bit more interesting for the boys. It was a wee bit girly last week with the mermaids, wasn't it? And hope you're all staying safe. Miss you all. And thank you very much, my scientist friend and dear Rose. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
And I think that the lemon worked the best because it's got the most citric acid in it, which helps all the fizzing up.
It's a very, very cool word. And it's long. It's hard to say.
Well, goodbye from us. Bye.